Okay, this is a really weird. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is a really weird intro, but the hell? Okay, yeah. So today, I am so sorry, guys. Don't you? Okay, sorry. So yeah, today I'm going to be playing Bittersweets, and Bittersweets only comes up in Halloween time, and it's Halloween, you know? It's like, yeah, it's Halloween. It's like October, and it comes in October, so, yeah, we'll see. And if you don't know what it is basically you collect candy to win prizes, and then the prizes are like better when like October goes, and then they're worth a spike or a headdress. Yeah, so yeah, protect yourself and personal info on that. Anyhow, on my daily spin today, I got 3 diamonds. Oh my god, sorry about that. Okay, anyway, stop loading. Okay, let me just go on. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. If you haven't seen my intro video, please check that out. Oh my god, okay, I'm really weird today, but yeah. So wait. While that's loading, which you probably never even know. My internet connectivity today is just, I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm on, yay! Okay. Okay, now let's go play Bittersweets. Come on, no! Okay, sorry about that. I'm just really addicted. Oh, there's a cat. Hey, over here. I know what to do. So there's these candies over here, as you can see. And then these candies, when you get 100 of them, then you get a prize and all. And I don't really wait for people. I just go on my own. Because why not? And so you just need to like touch the phantoms and you like, yeah, you need to touch them. I'll show you with this. So touch them and get a sweet. So see now my sweet says pink. And if you want to see where I am in case like, yeah, you're playing, then here is the map. It makes like a phantom kind of thing. Sorry, I got a cold. So if my voice isn't like my normal voice, the voice that you heard in my intro, it's because, yeah, alcohol. So then, for some of the animals, there's like these doors, and you know, click on here, and then it unlocks them, and there's a chest, a prize kind of thing. Everyone can go in there. Anyone can go in there. Oh, back glasses, my third ones. Everyone can go in there, but a cat has to unlock it. So, yeah. So, I'll make this smaller for you. And it's only on this leg you'll see that there's these trees that you can like press them and it gives you candy, only in this place. But phantom. Okay. okay. This is kind of funny. Okay. Sorry about this big fat screen recording thing. Anyways, let me get out of this leg. It makes like a phantom kind of thing. There's like 4 legs on the bottom, I think. I love opening these trees for some reason. They just make my day. Oh wow! Zucchinis. Okay, so it's already 5 minutes. Sorry, I've been playing for. It's because. Yeah. Anyways. A dog. I'm actually the only one playing. See, I can't press on the people that are playing with me button because I'm the only one playing. Okay. Anyways, let's go to this like this now. Pumpkin patch. There is a lot of phantoms here usually. Oh, someone joined. Someone joined. Let's hope it's a dog. Oh wow, it's a. Okay, there's quite a bit of phantoms here. So this is gonna be like a really like until I get to 100, then I'll stop this video because my laptop is really laggy today. And yeah, so I'm making videos daily from now, and yeah, so yeah. Oh wow, scarecrows everywhere. What happens if I press on that bird? Wow, it just that was just funny. Did you just see that scarecrow there? Wait, what are scarecrows made for? Oh, to scare the. Oh yeah, scarecrows. They scare the crows away from crops, right? I don't know. Think so, yeah. Yeah, but how does it scare them away? But that's the part I don't get. Wait, I think I can just go next to it and then squeeze and get that chest. No, I can't. Just waiting until I open it, but I'm waiting for the cat. Oh, there's the. Okay, who is that? I think that's my sis. Oh yeah, that's my sis. Cookie, yay! Hi, sis. She might answer. She's downstairs. I'm ending her video. Lol. She's downstairs and we don't really want to like. We might show our faces. Maybe I might. My sister, for some reason, she doesn't really want to. Because my other recording failed. Yeah, because I have a bit like less laggy laptop than her. Her laptop is the laggiest laptop ever. And I mean it. Sorry, but yeah. I mean it. Okay, because her other recording. I wish I could just. How do I turn into a different animal? Some people do that, and I don't know how to do that. How do I turn into a different animal? Like, people do that. Once there was this bee, and then I looked at her, and then she like changed into a cat. So, what the hell? Okay, these books are swapping or something. Let's see. I want to really get that prize. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. Okay. Guys, come. For 70. This is. It's alright, several candy. Sounds like come 3 more people. Okay, anyways, she's her owl. The owl's pretty much blueless. Let's just write 100 candy. And if you're still watching this in October, This is a really fun game to play. So please play it. It's like a really good game. Okay. No more people. Cat, can you open your thing door? I already did. I really need one more person to, because there's me and 2 more people. Me, 1, 2, so 1 more person needed. Feels like, can you open the thing after? No, I can't. Sorry, just kidding. 1 more high 400 candy. I really want to get to 100 candy so I can show you the gifts and end the video, because yeah. I really want to show you the prizes so you can like see how exciting they are. Yay! I love Animal Jam. I'm so addicted. This is so addictive, and I just love it. Smell of addiction. Okay, never mind. I need to shut up and get on with the game. As you can see, I have 90 out of 100 candy, so I need a couple. This is too laggy to be true. 96. I need 4 more. 1 more. And I'll show you the surprises. I'm gonna have to go. See, I have to do 200 until it's 2,000, but yeah. So prize, non-member prize. Ooh, a lollipop stand. I am so keeping it. Now, for the member prize, which only member. Ooh, a fence! Wow, I think I'm gonna have a collection of fences. And then I can make like a fence house. A fence. Okay, yeah, I like him. So this was my video. And please like and subscribe, and please add me. I don't know if you can click on my name right now, but it's Biscuit12302. You will see my intro video, and then you'll see my... There's a lion! Okay, and you'll see my name and all. So yeah, safe. Bye. Do not be not safe. Be safe. Just be safe. Bye. Don't share your password.